Our one-door stainless steel refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 28 inches, a depth of 32 inches, and the overall height with caster wheels, we have 81.5 inches tall. Coming to the lower right column is the Dixel controller and temperature display. Now on the inside, included will be 3 adjustable shelves. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference. Interior dimensions will include 25.25 inches in depth. 25.25 inches is from the back towards the front in your refrigerator. A length of 24 inches. In the overall height, we have 51 inches tall. Measurements for each shelf will include 22 inches in depth by 23 inches in length. And located on the far right column is the LED strip that runs along the panel. So whenever the door is open, the LED light will be on display the products that you have displayed inside your refrigerator. Coming to the right corner will be the ETL NSF certification, and a thermometer will also be included. Lock and keys will be provided for this refrigerator. Last but not least, this refrigerator uses a 110-120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product.